Hello, welcome to the VTU portal developed by Zeroten Technologies. This is what it looks like, so I'm going to give you a short overview of it. I'm going to log in. So this VTU portal has 4 sections. 1 is verifications. 2 is my services. 3 is utility bills. 4 is store. So verifications is things like NIN verification, BVN verification, TIN verification, NYC verification, and the rest. So when we go to the verification section, this is what it looks like. You will see where all the verifications are listed. If you have a NIMC API, you can be able to use it here. Take note that this can only be used by NIMC front-end partners. If you reach out to Zeroten Technologies, they'll be able to connect you to compliance officers that will make sure that you are compliant to be able to use this, because you need to have things like the NDPR certificate to be able, data protection certificate, to be able to use this feature. But nevertheless, Zeroten has the APIs and they can offer it to you provided you meet the criteria. So I'm going to show you just one of the endpoints we connected just for demonstration purposes. So take for instance, if you go to the test verify, in the test verify section, the user just comes there and clicks on it, and then they select the slip that they want, a type of slip. Maybe you designed a custom slip for your customers. You put in the NIN number, the sample NIN number, so your customers can be able to use it. And then you click on confirm and verify. This is just what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And then you can download the slip and do whatever you want to do. The next is my services. My services is for people who are offering services like CAC registration, JAM registration, WIAC registration, and the rest. There are so many services that we have here that you can use. There is no API for this. So you who is doing an online business should know the services that you have. Zeroten can also help you connect you to agencies or platforms that where you can get all of these things and offer it to your customers. Anyone you're not offering in your business, you kindly remove it. Then the next is utility bill. Utility bill works with the API from Zeroten Technologies. The platform where this comes from is the ZTenPay payment gateway. ZTenPay is designed by Zeroten Technologies as a fintech, and that is where all you need to do is just get your token, put it on the portal, set your prices, and begin to sell. The next is store. Take for instance, you are selling things like handbag, human hair, and whatever it is, even computers, laptops, and the rest. You can be able to upload it here, and your customers can buy directly from you, and then you will bill it using logistics company. Please, there's something I want to also let you know, that this portal is 100% free of charge. It will not cost you anything. It is 100% free of charge. All you need to do is to pay for your domain name and hosting. So we have .com.ng, which goes for 25,000 naira. We have .ng, which goes for 50,000 naira, and we have .org, .com, .net, and the rest, which goes for 75,000 naira. If you have a domain name and hosting elsewhere, we will charge you a small service charge just to deploy it there, to upload it there for you. But you provide us with the login details and the rest. But we prefer our users just go to Zeroten host, get your own hosting there, your domain name, or you just pay us the money that we are asking for, and then we'll get it done for you without any headache. Typically, this takes 7 days to upload, because the process of you choosing your domain name, securing your hosting, and the rest, typically 7 days, so that we can be able to also coach you on how to use this portal. Another important thing is that if you want us to add extra things or to remove whatever it is you want us to add, just let us know and we'll comfortably add it for you. If you want us to change the color, tell us and we'll change the color for you. Another thing is that this portal uses a wallet system. The wallet system is connected directly to ZTenPay. the payment gateway I mentioned to you earlier on. It is a wallet-to-wallet transaction. The moment the user creates an account in Zeroten Pay, you also create an account in Zeroten Pay, money is sent from their wallet automatically to your wallet. In fact, the way we designed this, there's no point of failure. You won't have to worry or have headache that, okay, maybe a customer did transaction and it failed and they start calling you for you to be able to rectify the payment that they did. No, it doesn't happen on this portal because we are the ones who built the system, integrated it properly, and it is very, very smooth. You won't have headache unless maybe there's a problem with the bank, either the bank or your network, mobile network. That's where the issues may come from. Apart from that, it's just seamless and smooth. Remember, it is 100% free of charge. Send us an email, info@zerotenweb.com.ng, or just go to our website, zerotenweb.com.ng, pick our email address from there, pick our WhatsApp numbers, our phone numbers there, send us a WhatsApp message, and then we'll take it off from there. So you can be able to enjoy your business and then do whatever you want to do and make your money, make your profit. This is 2026. Thank you. If you have any question, also reach out to us and then we'll be able to assist you. There's a tutorial on how to manage this as an admin. If you want us to add extra things, just let us know. We'll add extra things. There's a referral system. There are so many other things that you can see in it. There's an API documentation. As you are creating your own services, verification and the rest, you're also creating your own API that you can offer to your customers or other people who want portal also. They can come to you and then you connect them to us and we'll give you your commission. Make your money. There's a support ticket section where you can do a whole lot of things and you can even manage your users, credit them manually and non automatically. Thank you.